Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and today I will show you how we can change the font style on this device. So at first you have to go for the settings, and when we are here we have to move for the display, then tap simply on the font size and the style, go for the font style, and as you can see we can pick one of this following. Let's change for the default, for example, and as you can see that's how it changed. And of course we can also get additional fonts by going right here. So tap. Right now we will be moved to the Galaxy theme store, and right now we are able to get other fonts. I will probably go maybe here for this one, so click on it and let's tap on it one more time, then click to apply. Let's go for the font size, and as you can see here we got another font, so we can simply choose them and just go back. And as you can see it is very easy. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!